First, a quick update on adding dates. Eagle-eyed viewer Klaus spotted a mistake in the date format in last week's video, and I've solved that by changing to a new date picker. So now we have the option here to type in a day and a month and a year. Let's say the 7th of June 1965, and we also have a little calendar, so we've got ability to change up here as well. Perhaps might make things easier to edit on a mobile device, for example. Anyway, onto the new features. So this is the page on our current site where we're editing a photo, and I want to focus on adding tags and adding connections. So if I want to add, let's say, a tag about the police, I run into a couple of problems. The first one is I know we have a lot more tags than the 10 that are shown here. So there might be a perfectly good tag, but I can't access it. So that's our first problem. I can make this list longer, but then it's still going to fall off the bottom of the page here. But anyway, let's go ahead and add a tag. Now the next thing is to add an extra tag. I have to know that I should come up here and type a comma, and then I can start over again. And unfortunately, not everyone realizes that, so they don't type in the commas and end up making these sort of giant tags, which are a combination of several words. So hopefully we could fix that as well. We have similar problems with connections. If I come down and I want to add a person, I know we've got over 20 people with the name Jones on the website. Again, we've got the problem I can only see the first 10 matches. If I want to add another person here, this time it's a different approach. I must click on this button, and then I get a new window, and then I can type in Jones again and pick the next name. Deleting is a little bit clunky as well. If I want to delete this one, I have to click the box here and then finish to delete the connection from the page here. Really not very intuitive. So switch back to the new site and let's see how it works here. Now this time when I come for the search for police, starts off with my first few matches, but this is a scrolling list, so now I can see all of the different options that are available. So I'm hoping this will cut down on people making new tags because they'll be able to find what's already here. Now if I choose this one, I don't have to type in any comma. I just type police again, and you can see that it's quite clear what is one tag. So this is one tag, this is one tag. So if I come and start typing that monster tag we saw before, I can add it, but hopefully it's clear that I've made a mistake here, that I've made one giant tag instead of 3 separate. Then finally, if I do need to make a correction, it's much easier to delete things. There's a little X here. If I click on that, it just deletes the tag away. Now once you've got the hang of that, it's exactly the same when we come down here and add connections. So if I want to show a person that's shown in the picture, okay, now we have all of the people available to choose from. Let's choose R.E. Jones, and again I can just type and choose. So easy to add multiple names, and if I've made a mistake, easy to delete one as well. So I think these will be a good improvement to the website. Unfortunately, they have some bugs. This feature is a combination of software from Drupal that drives our website, and there's a JavaScript library called Select2 which provides the functions you've seen here. So next week's job, not very exciting, but I'll be trying to dig into those and see what's causing the bugs and see if we can fix them. Well, I'll be back next week in the next newsletter, and I'll let you know how I got on.